Hello and good morning, dear colleagues. Interesting topic that we should talk about. ChatGPT, all these AI tools and how they can improve education. A recent article showed that ChatGPT 4.0 can make you pass your implantology curriculum exams and maybe also all other exams that we have to do as students in a written form can be done by ChatGPT, at least maybe not at the best level, but you will pass the exam. What are the consequences of doing so? For me, we could finally focus more on our manual skills, on other topics that are relevant for dental education, basically not for the dental school, but for the life after dental school. When you will become an entrepreneur, when you have to open up your dental office, we could talk more about management, finance, leading a team, communication, dental photography. A lot of topics can be condensed because AI can help us to learn these things quicker and also manage all these information quicker. It will not replace the hands-on training. We should get more hands-on training in our dental education because this is missing because we have to focus too much on the theoretical part of our education. I see AI as an opportunity to get our dental students educated much faster, much better, to become better dentists in communication and in also their manual skills. What are your thoughts on this? Let's talk about in the comments.